Yo, what's going on, everybody? I'm the commissioner and Woodpeckers player, Matt Stahlberger. Just wanted to give a special thanks and a shout out to one of my high school teachers, Mr. Miller, for making me and Don Mastro these shirts. You get a close-up view, SWBL, and then inside the wiffle ball is our logo. These are absolutely amazing. I love them, and thank you, Mr. Miller, for making me and Dom these shirts. I cannot wait to wear these. These are phenomenal. So, yeah, thank you, Miller, for making these. So, they got the name on the back as well. These are pretty fly. I'm not gonna lie. I like these. I put this on the other day. Full uni's gonna look pretty sharp the next time the Woodpeckers play. I just wanted to say thanks, Miller, and yeah, SWBL Nation. Go Birds, baby. Go Birds.